squeeze.
Not too hard, not too hard.
I'm making noodles. Hi!
Welcome back to our channel.
I'm Serge.
I'm Sean. And I'm Ella.
And I am Carmen. And today we are doing something really fun.
Really
so
fun.
we recently went to the Chinese supermarket
Yes.
and we bought these.
Gummy ramen noodles. Oh, sorry. The dumplings.
Spring roll.
Spring roll, and then rice pudding.
Mango pudding.
Mango pudding.
Yes, all that stuff.
So basically
Delicious.
we're gonna make all these items, but they're actually gonna be
Gummies.
All right, let's open up these boxes, see what's inside.
So we open it on
Don't
this
squeeze it, just
little
open
part
it.
right here, I think. I got it. Stuff.
Alright, we got
I
blue
opened
stuff,
mine even better.
we
You
got yellow
see?
stuff, brown stuff, red stuff. First thing we do, we're gonna make mango pudding.
Oh, is it this? Is it this? I found it. It's orange.
Yes, this
Yes,
one.
I got it. Get that
A
all.
little bit more.
Tiny bit. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Alright.
Oh, deliciosity. Oh.
Good.
Oh, it smells so good.
Sounds like candy and gummies.
Ooh, a little mold. Ooh, good pouring, Daddy. I didn't
And
even
then-
open mine yet.
Oh.
So it's gonna make like a dough.
It's just
Oh, yeah, I feel it.
Yeah, it's gonna make a dough and then we're gonna form it and then we're gonna make the, we're gonna put them in those
Like
things.
slime.
You're gonna take a little piece.
A little.
Take a little piece.
Oh, I just want to eat it.
Wait, a little bigger.
stick that bad boy in
Now take a bigger piece. Bigger piece. Okay, so now you're gonna make 4 little balls out of that. Yep.
So look, what you want to do is you want to press it onto here so that it's
Each
about the
ball?
size, each ball.
You guys should really just do it my way. I flattened it, then cut it. One.
Roll that one up.
Oh my god. It smells heavenly. Two.
Alright, so now we're gonna put it on here and flatten it out. So we want it to be this size.
Okay, so now we're making the filling for the dumplings.
Oh, that's too much. Enough.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I did it. And then just kind of squeeze the edges together.
Ooh, Dada, you did it.
Looks good. Let's see yours, Daddy and Ella. Nice. Are you making your spring rolls?
Yeah.
So we got 2 dumplings and 2 spring rolls, right? So it's like a little burrito.
Yeah. They made it look like this. But that's just gonna fall. I'm gonna make it like this.
Just leave it open though so you can see. Otherwise they'll also look like the dumplings.
No, they won't. See, this
That's
one's a little
literally
ball.
a dumpling.
Now look, it's a soup
Oh
dumpling.
gosh.
No,
You
just pour it.
see? If you imagine it, it can be a spring roll. Look at my spring
Looks
roll.
like a tasio bao.
Well, maybe it is.
Now make the ramen.
Put in where
In the water.
This looks just like soup. Oh, this smells like Coca-Cola candy.
Oh, it does.
And it tastes like it.
It does.
Let's see.
Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. I just realized we were supposed to cut up the tray so that the bowl is by itself. Okay, so we cut the bowls out, so now they actually look like little bowls, which makes a lot more sense.
You put the hole in?
Yes, I mean a big old hole.
Ooh, look at that.
Wait, where is the hole? Okay, gonna cover up the hole with
All
my
right.
finger. Here we go. Oh no! What's that?
Oh, look, Ella. They really look like noodles.
Whoa!
Making noodles.
Noodles.
Watch me. No, I want to try that.
Okay. All right, hold on. Let me put it close to you.
Nice, nice
So,
noodle
squeeze.
making.
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Not too hard, not too hard.
I'm making noodles. Cute.
All right, you want to put it on top of the plate?
Oh, that looks pretty good, Sean.
Thank you.
Have a seat and enjoy your hard work.
Thank you.
You have to finish it, okay?
No. No. That's disgusting.
All right, have your dessert.
This
It's
one
really
is
good.
good. I only like the inside down.
You're not spring roll.
Whatever.